If there's a murder, I need to be there before they touch the corpse, because or approach it too much, because a little bent twig or a footprint in the grass or disturbed leaves all means something to me. And then I come to the body and I look at the body, but I want to know what's underneath the body, what's around the body. And so, I mean, if it's a burial, I have to look at all the soil in the burial and be there with the archaeologist when they excavate it, so that, because a lot of evidence comes out.